In this video we will talk about Provillus Hair Loss Treatment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Provillus is a non-prescription oral supplement to aid hair growth and reverse hair loss. Provillus for men does this by blocking the production of an androgen called DHT, dihydrotestosterone, which clogs up hair follicles, leading to increasingly thinner hair and eventual baldness in men. Provillus also claims to revive dormant or nearly dead hair follicles, which most other hair loss products will not vouch for. Provillus for women uses a slightly different formula which focuses more on cleansing the scalp and supplying nutrients to the hair follicles, enabling scalp hair to grow faster and thicker. Ingredients: vitamin B6, biotin, saw palmetto, nettle, gotu kola, pumpkin seed extract, eleuthero root, uva ursi and moria poama. While saw palmetto, nettle and gotu kola are common to most hair fall control solutions, the pumpkin seed extracts, which contain carbohydrates, amino acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids, are unique to Provillus and provide a natural form of nutrient supplements to help nourish and revive nearly dormant hair follicles. Usage: recommended usage is 1 to 2 capsules a day, for about 6 to 8 weeks. If no results are apparent by then, you would likely need to increase the dosage. Provillus for men and women are different products, to be used in different circumstances. For women, it is mostly to control temporary hair loss due to hormonal changes, such as heavy menstruation or after pregnancy. Provillus for men will block an excess production of DHS by the body, and put a stop to hair loss, while some ingredients of the formula try to trigger increase in the hair growth rate. Side effects: according to the company, there are almost no known side effects. No loss in sexual appetite for men, no scalp problems, and nothing in their extensive studies hints at any signs of bodily disorder specifically due to the use of Provillus. Some people may experience mild stomach disorders initially, but as the body gets used to the excess saw palmetto contained in the Provillus solution, these symptoms, if any, will fade away. That said, the very effectiveness of Provillus, as a hair loss control solution, is in doubt by some people who have used the product and found no apparent change in the rate of their hair loss. No decrease, no increase, no side effects, nothing. A lot of their customers have indeed benefited from a significant decrease in hair loss, and even increased hair growth. Point is, that it could go both ways. So maybe you should study the ingredients and consult your physician before you make a decision to opt for Provillus. As stated above, Provillus is FDA approved, has a 100% money-back guarantee and has no known side effects. So, there should be, ideally speaking, no harm or loss in trying out Provillus. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.